This is question which is based on number analogy. This question is not that easy. Now this 38, any guesses? 3 square is 9 and the difference between 3 and 8 is 5. And this is 95. So first he is going for 3 square and then he is writing the difference between 8 and 3. Similarly, for 54, the first digit is 5, 5 square is 25, the difference between 5 and 1, 4 is 1, your answer is 251. Clear? You'll see many more logics like this, don't worry. So let's go for the next one. This is a question which is based on blood relations. So whenever you come across the questions on blood relations, and I have been telling you many number of times, what should be your first observation? Compare the left hand side with right hand side. Left hand side is this symbols to the left of means, and this is right hand side for us. The first letter is A here and the first letter here is also A. No problem. So clearly the first person is related to second person. So let's try to solve this question here. P hash Q. What is P hash Q? P is the mother of Q. Next, Q percentile. Q is the sister of R. R ampersand. R is the husband of S. Automatically S is female. Q and R are siblings. Next, S hash T. What is S hash T? S is the mother of T. Done? What's the question here? How is S related to P? How is S related to P? Daughter-in-law. S is the daughter-in-law of P. P's son's wife. Next question. 4 letters. What's happening here? Look at this. Yes. The first and the last letter and the middle 2 letters are opposite. R, I, U, F are opposite. Similarly, there are 3 options which exhibit the same rule. W, D, A, Z. Next is what? Is Y opposite to M? No. What's opposite to M? N. C, X. So what's going on here? This is G, T, K, P. This is also right. So which option is my answer? Third option. Except third, all others follow the same rule. Come on, what's going on here? 5, 10, come on, 15, 20, 25, next is 30. So what's your answer? 118. Next, story. In a certain code, story is written as. Now this is an excellent question. Good one. Look at this. Story. I'll just write on the place values of story. Story is coded as what? J, B, F, I, G. All are different letters. Can you please tell me what is the place value of S? 19, T, 20, O, 15, R, 18, Y, 25. Any guesses? What's the place value of J? Can you please tell me where did I get this 10 from? 1 plus 9, sum of the place values. This is sum of the place values. Is this clear? What's B? Come on, what's B? 2 plus 0. See, these type of logics are very rare, but see, by writing this many tests, what are you trying to do here is, you are coming across many different logics. Ardhamatundamma. దగ్గర ఒక 100 పరీక్షలు రాస్తాం మనం. Before you go and write your exam, we will be writing somewhere around 100 mock tests. In this 100 mock tests, you will come across many different logics. So you have to save all these logics in your memory. Whenever you come across a question which looks similar to this, immediately you will be able to identify what that particular logic is all about. Understood? Is this clear? Chalo. F is 6. So where did I get this 6 from? 1 plus 5. And the next is 18. I is 9. This is 1 plus 8. G is 7. This is 2 plus 5. Sum of the digits in the place value. Sum of the digits in the place value. Now you're supposed to go for grains. You're supposed to go for grains. Come on. What is the place value of G? 7. Obviously the answer you'll have 7 because 7 is a single digit number. R 18. 18. 1 plus 8, 9. I. A is 1. So I'll get A only. I is 9. So I'll get I only. N 14. 1 plus 4, 5. E. S 19. 1 plus 9, 10. What is it? J. So which option is my answer? Second option. Clear? Everyone? Let's go for the sixth. This is patience and calmness. Synonyms. What's the answer? Assist, help. As I told you earlier, these questions on verbal analogy and verbal odd man out will be used to ask questions from English or from general awareness. So here they are checking your vocabulary skills. This is very clear. 7. This is a question on what? Syllogisms. What is this? Some seeds are fruits. All fruits are fresh. What is the first conclusion? All fresh are seeds is a possibility. Now please tell me one point here. Are all the statements positive? Are all the statements positive? Yes. Whenever all the statements are positive, is a possibility with positive conclusion is always true. Yes? What's the next one? Some fresh are fruits. Do you see relation between fresh and fruit? Yes. This is also right. So what's your answer? Both 1 and 2. Let's go for the 8th one. This is clearly based on what? BODMAS rule. Ante kada? Chappadamma. Chalo, this is what? 1125. What is Y? What is Y? Y stands for division. 3 and Z plus 15. V stands for subtraction. Minus 8. W into 5. Done? Obviously, BODMAS rule, what will we do? We'll go for D for division. BODMAS. Division. 1125 divided by 3. 11 3s, 9, 375. This is 375 plus 15 minus 8 into 5, 40. Done? 375 plus 15 is what? 390. Minus 40, 350. Option 3 is my answer. Let's go for question number 9. It's just waste of time to write down the place values. Okay, now we have only 50 minutes and we are supposed to solve 25 questions in reasoning. And reasoning is the scoring part as far as your SSC exam is concerned. Is this clear? Tell me what's the place value of 23? W, sorry. 23. 23, 16. Ante plus a minus a? Minus. Minus 7. Next. 16, 10. Minus 6. 10, 5. Minus 5. Next should be what? Minus 4. 5 minus 4, 1. What's the answer? A. Done? Next, 10th question. Yes. You have to arrange all this in which order? Dictionary order. I need to arrange all this in dictionary order. So all the letters are starting with T. I need to go with the second letter. If I go with the second letter, please everybody concentrate. If I go with the second letter, so the second letter is A. Ante kadamma. So pakka first time undali, 2 undali. Avuna? Sir jagrata chudandi andaru. Now we'll go for the third letter. We'll go with the second letter. Next is E. Apart from the second word, all other words, the second letter is E. Until you have to compare the third letter. Third letter ikkada em vastundi? M. Ikkada kuda M. Ikkada kuda N. Ikkada em vastundi? S. M, N, S. Ante 100% guarantee the last word will be the fifth kada? Yes or no? Ante your answer should start with 2 and end with 5. Katam ayipoyindi. What's my answer? Clear? అన్నీ చెక్ చేస్తూ కూర్చున్నావు నువ్వు? నో కదా? Follow the strategy which I teach. Clear? Let's go for nth. Now this is what everybody is waiting for. Yes? Let's see this. 96 divided by 4. What is 96 divided by 4? 96 divided by 4 is 24. 24 into 5. 96 divided by 4 is 24, into 5 is 120. Similarly, 48 is not divisible by 5. Wrong. See, I can say this one thing here. This is A, this is B, and this is C. What's the logic here? Ante A by C into 5 is equals to B. Clear? 48 is not divisible by 5. That's not my answer. 69 divided by 3. What is 69 divided by 3? 23. 23 into 5, yes, it is 115. So which option is my answer? Second option. Clear? Next, I see a question on BODMAS rule. Let me try to solve this question. Come on. You are supposed to interchange any two equations to make the answer correct. Antena? చూడండమ్మా ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ మైనస్ కనుక నేను ఇంటర్చేంజ్ చేస్తే దిస్ బికమ్స్ ప్లస్ హియర్ and this becomes minus. Ante kada? Anyway, you have to do division first and product next. 16 divided by 4 is 4. 4 into 56. Your value will be more than 200. Avuna kada? What should be my answer? 28. So first option nunchi vache chances unnayantara? Levu. Second option em cheyali? Plus divided by cheyamantunnaru. Sare interchange chestam. Sorry, into. This becomes into, this becomes divided by. 4 divided by 56. 4 divided by 56. What is 4 divided by 56? 1 by? Cheppandamma. 1 by 14. 1 by 14 into 16. Yes or no? Obviously, values will be in decimals. సో ఇక్కడి నుంచి కూడా వచ్చే ఛాన్సెస్ ఉన్నాయా లేవా? చాలా తక్కువ ఉన్నాయి మనకి. ఒకసారి థర్డ్ ఆప్షన్ చూద్దాం. ఇప్పుడు థర్డ్ ఆప్షన్ ఏమంటున్నాడు? మైనస్ అండ్ ఇంటూ. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ఇంటూ, అంతేనా? చెప్పండమ్మా. దిస్ ఈస్ మైనస్. సో దిస్ బికమ్స్ 18 into 16, అంతేనా? డివైడెడ్ బై 4 minus 56 plus 12. First you need to go for division. What's the answer? 4. 18 into 4 minus 56 plus 12. What is 18 fours? 72 minus 56. 72 minus 56 is 16. 16 plus 12 is what? 28. Did I get the answer? Yes. Done. Which option is my answer? Third option. Let's go for the 14th question. 13th is a question from Quant. Okay, so we'll go for 14th reasoning question. A is 10 meters to the south of B. A is 10 meters to the south of B. B ki south 10 meters. Avaramma? A. Next ఏమిటంటే చదువు. A is 10 meters to the south of B. C is 3 meters to the left of A. How many meters? 3 meters. This is C. Next, C is 3 meters to the left of A. D is 6 meters to the north of C. 6 meters, I'll stop somewhere in the middle. Yes or no? Because on the other side, you have 10 meters. Okay. E is what? E is 5 meters to the east of D. East and the right side. This is 3, extra 2. This is E. What's the question here? What is the position of E with respect to A? Position of E with respect to A. What is this considered as? Northeast. Clear? Chalo, next. This is question number 15. What is this? From the given alternatives, select the word which cannot be formed. Can be formed or cannot be formed or cannot be formed. Concentrate on that. Speculation. Sectional. It can be formed. Inculpates. Yes, it can also be formed. Neoplastic. Can I form that? Chappandamma. Statistics, there is a problem. There are 3 S's in statistic. In speculation, there is only 1 S. So which option is my answer? 4th option. 16th. Blue crane is related to Africa in the same way Barbary falcon is related to Oman. Blue crane is native to Africa. Barbary falcon is native to Oman. Next. Select the odd one. Odd man out. Ocelot, hyena, camel, duck. Now there is a big problem here. First of all, we don't know what is this ocelot. Avuna kada. Ocelot telapodal kochi ibbandi avutadi. Ocelot is a wild cat. Ocelot is a wild cat. Okay? So what's your answer? Duck. Because duck is a bird. The others are not birds. Is this clear? Wild kite, hyena, camel and duck. So your answer is duck. Next, 18. Now as soon as you see, you should identify what's the speciality of these numbers. Avuna kada? What's this 2744? 14 cube. 4096, 16 cube. Come on, tell me what is 9261? 21 cube. This is not a cube here. The other 3 options are cubes. Done? Let's go for 19. Shall I do this? Chappandamma. First tell me how many members are here. Information is given to us about how many members. Amma, L, O, K, M, N. Total number of persons, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. L is taller than only O. Taller is greater than only O. This is very important. Behind L, there is only one person. Avuna kada? When there is only one person behind L, I can say L is the second person from last. Yes or no? There is only one person standing behind you. Obviously, you will be the second person from last. Next. K is taller than L but shorter than M. K is taller than L but this K is shorter than M. Clear? N is not the tallest. N is not the tallest. This position is not for N. I'll do one thing. If I take M and K here, there is only one person left out and that person has to be N. But the clue clearly says N is not supposed to be the tallest. Avuna kada? So there is no other option. This has to be M. What about K and N and A? I am not sure. I am not sure with the positions of K and N. What's the question? Who amongst the following is the tallest? What's your answer? Chapali. 20. You can either go for row operations or you can either go for column operations. But what I suggest is, most of the times what happens ante, when we go with row operations, this number here in the last place, we will try to get that number from first 2 numbers. Yes or no? This is what generally happens. I don't say every time you have to go with the same thing. But generally with first and second, we go for third number. Generally. Even if you go for the column operation, what I suggest to you is, look at the biggest number. Look at the biggest number. Whether the biggest number is at the end of the column or at the end of the row. This is very important. ఒక పెద్ద నెంబర్ అనేది రోకి ఎండింగ్లో ఉందా, కాలంకి ఎండ్లో ఉందా అనేది మనం చూసుకొని దాన్ని బట్టు ప్రయత్నం చేయటం మంచిది. అర్థమవుతుందా? ఇక్కడ చూసుకుంటే ఇక్కడ 58 వస్తుంది. అవునా కాదా? అంటే ఆ పెద్ద నెంబర్ అనేది రోలో వస్తుందా, కాలంకి ఎండ్లో వస్తుందా? కాలంకి ఎండ్లో. ఆప్షన్స్ చూస్తే ఎవ్రీ ఆప్షన్ ఈస్ మోర్ దెన్ 45. Yes or no? This question mark X will be more than 45. And again here also I am getting a bigger number only at the end. Yes? So what we try to do is, let me go with these two and try to get 58. What is 25 plus 37? Come on. 25 plus 37 is what? 62. Minus 4. Okay na? 4 plus 2, 6. minus 4, 12 plus 40 ఏమిటి 52 minus 4 done. Yes, these are not that easy. ఉన్న విషయం చెప్తున్నాం, దే ఆర్ నాట్ దట్ ఈజీ, టఫ్ అమ్మా. నెక్స్ట్ let's go for this. I'll tell you one thing, listen. I don't think it's that clear in that picture, but I'll just draw it here. Okay now? I'll just change the color. Ma, look at that blue part here. It's looking like 1/4 of a circle kada? Yes or no? Obviously here I'll get one full circle. On the other side also I should get one full circle. అవునా కాదా? ఇక్కడ ఇలా ఉన్నప్పుడు ఇటు కూడా ఇంకోటి వస్తుంది కదా ఇట్లా. Here also I'll get one more thing like this. Yes or no? Everyone. Now tell me one thing. This here, this part here, you will also get it here, because I'll fold the paper to the other side. And I'll get another rectangle type of figure here. Look at the options. Where do you find that? Khatam. Third option is my answer. Clear? 22. Counting the figures. This is a good question. I think most of you will get only 16. Huh? 17. Huh? Chudam. This is the problem. 16, 17, 18, all the numbers are, all the options are having a difference of only one number. Only one number. This is most confusing, because even if you get the answer, you still have a doubt whether my answer is right or wrong. Avuna kada? So ikkada okasari chudandi, let us count the smaller ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many? 10. And then we'll go for the combination. We'll go for the combination. This one here. 1, 2, and this here is 3. Antena? 10 plus 3. Inka? Chapandama. 1. This is 2. Plus 2, 1 big square plus 1. This is where many people will get stuck. Yes or no? But there is another square hidden here. Avuna kada? Then you will have another one here. Extra 2. So what's the number? 18. Always remember one point. When the highest number in the options is your answer, 100% guarantee your answer is right. You can feel happy anamata. Endukante danikante pedda number lane levu kada. Avuna kada? Adi. 23. Come on. Australia, Sydney, Amsterdam. First option. Sydney is a city in Australia. Amsterdam, the Netherlands. Done. Next. What's here? The image is not that clear here, but we'll try to get this question. What's going on here? Select the correct mirror image of the given figure when the mirror is placed to the right side of the figure. Mirror is placed to the right side. Come on, tell me what is the answer. Amma? Second option. 100% guarantee second option. Simple, go. This triangle undi kada. It will look something like this, but you will have all horizontal lines. There is only one option. That's second option. 25. Oh. First concentrate on the shaded part. The dark part. Okay, Namma. First concentrate on the shaded dark part. There are 4 frames here. 1, 2. First concentrate on the dark part. you are rotating towards clockwise direction. Avuna kada? We'll concentrate only on this shaded part. Endudu. Clockwise, two sides kada? 1 2. Malli tarvata 1 2. Next 1 2. Next 1 2 ante you will have it somewhere here in the answer. Yes or no? How many options? Two options. Either second option or fourth option. Next, go for this one here, this one. Are you shifting it by how many sides? 1 2 3 కదా. ఇగో ఇది ఇక్కడ ఉంది చూసావా, ఏమైపోయింది? 1 2 3 ఇక్కడికి వచ్చి ఆగింది. అవునా కాదా? అలాగే ఇటు పక్కన ఉన్నది అక్కడికి వెళ్ళినప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది చూడు, 1 2 3 ఇక్కడికి వచ్చి ఆగింది. మళ్ళీ అటు పక్కకి వెళ్ళినప్పుడు 1 2 3, ఇక్కడి నుంచి 1 2 3 ఈ పొజిషన్లో ఉండాలి నాకు. Yes or no? Which option will be my answer? Come on. Amma? Clear? Yes or no? So we are done with this.